Hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a powerful tool for personal growth and manifestation. Journaling to uncover limiting beliefs around receiving. Many of us want abundance, whether it's love, money, opportunities, or success. But deep down, we hold hidden beliefs that block us from fully receiving. In this video, I'll show you how to use journaling as a mirror to uncover those beliefs, release them, and open yourself up to everything you deserve. Here's the truth. Receiving sounds easy, but for many people, it's actually the hardest part of manifestation. Why? Because we've been conditioned with beliefs like, I don't deserve this. I have to work harder to earn it. Good things don't happen to me. These limiting beliefs live in the subconscious and they quietly stop us from accepting opportunities, love, or abundance when they show up. Journaling is a way to bring those beliefs to light so that we can shift them. When you write, you bypass surface level thoughts and tap into your subconscious. For example, if you set the prompt, why do I find it hard to receive love? You might be surprised by what comes up. Maybe memories of rejection, fear of vulnerability, or the belief that love equals pain. Journaling creates space for honesty without judgment. It's like shining a torch into the dark corners of your mind so you can see what's really there. Here are a few prompts you can use to uncover hidden beliefs around receiving. Write freely. Don't censor or overthink. The more honest you are, the clearer your patterns will become. Once you uncover a limiting belief, the next step is reframing it. Here's an example. If your limiting belief is, I don't deserve abundance unless I work hard, reframe it to, I am worthy of receiving with ease simply because I exist. Another limiting belief might be, love always comes with pain. Reframe it to, I am safe to receive love that is healthy, joyful, and supportive. This isn't about pretending your past didn't happen. It's about creating new beliefs that support the future you're calling in. So here's how you can start today. Choose 1 or 2 prompts from the list and write on them for 5 to 10 minutes. Circle one limiting belief that you uncover, then reframe it to a new belief that directly challenges it. Repeat your new belief daily until it starts to feel natural. The key is consistency. Little by little, you rewire your mind to receive with openness and ease. So if you've been struggling to manifest more love, abundance, or opportunities, journaling could be the missing piece. It's not just about writing, it's uncovering, healing, and realigning yourself with what you truly deserve. If this video resonated, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need this little reminder. And tell me in the comments down below, what's one limiting belief about receiving that you're ready to release? I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are worthy of receiving everything you desire. Until next time, bye guys.
No.